Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So today is another Monday and I'm heading out in a bit. Papunta na yung Uber ko. I have to review a service for you guys. It's gonna be for the nail. It's super timely because my nails are looking so ratchet right now and sobrang kailangan na ng cleaning. So we're gonna check it out. It's a deal coming out on Deal Grocer. I'll have the link in the information box if ever you guys wanna try it. And dun lang siya sa may, malapit kila Bea. Dun lang sa may, Saint Nails yung name niya kasi. So anyway, I'll just vlog for you guys. Makeup look for today, sobrang simple lang. Yon. And then I also have to run a few errands after the nail treatment. I am now riding Uber, guys. So if you haven't tried Uber, use my code UberSayTioko to get your first ride for free up to 200 pesos. So anyway, I will be announcing the winners of the Lip Ice giveaway. A lot of you guys have been asking na kung sino yung mga nanalo. So it's gonna be 3 winners. I'll be checking your entries right now and then I'll insert it in the vlog dito sa vlog. So I'll be choosing from the ones who reposted the photo on Instagram. So 3 winners yon. And also another giveaway that just came in. I posted on my Facebook page and we are selecting 10 winners for the Asian Secrets giveaway. So apparently I was supposed to announce a giveaway on the video pero hindi ko na-announce yun. Hindi kasi ako na-notify. Pero yun. So what I did was repost the video on my Facebook page and all you need to do is drop a comment. So once you comment, I'll be announcing, once you comment, may entry na kayo. I'll be announcing on August 6 at 9 PM. So I'll be replying lang to the winners Facebook page. So I'll have a video link or the post link down in the information box so you guys can check it out and enter. Ready na lahat ng prizes, as in ready na lahat. So I'm now here at the salon, guys. So I just finished filming for the treatment. I'm actually done with it. If ever you want to know what happened or what went down during this treatment, the video will be up as soon as possible siguro. I'll ask the brand, but I really had a great time here at Saint Nails. Look for Liza. Sobrang galing niya gumawa. As in, sobrang linis and hindi ako nasaktan at all. Very pleasant experience and first time ko magpa-paraffin wax and okay siya. I'm just waiting for my nail polish to dry before I head home. I'm actually gonna get some Uber na para makauwi na rin ako since I have to run errands pa. Kailangan kong habulin yung bangko. They also provided me with disposable slippers. Thank you so much, Saint Nails. Bongga. I am now riding Uber, guys. So, hindi ko lang sure kung abot pa ako ng bangko. But anyway, I'm so hungry. I haven't had lunch yet. Buti na lang I got poker over here. My sister recommended the red one, pero hindi ko gusto yung red. I actually like cacao much better, which is the blue one. Yan. Okay na okay ang service sa Saint Nails. Actually, at first, sobrang natakot pa ako kasi medyo mabigat yung kamay nung gumagawa sa akin. Pero hindi niya ako nasaktan. As in, mabigat yung kamay niya, pero magaan siyang gumawa, if that makes any sense. And they also provided me with some paper bags since wala akong dalang bag for my shoes, which is really a great thing. And then, okay din na meron silang slippers. So, really bongga. I'll have the deal link in the information box. Actually, sabi nila, no, I won't have the link since next week pa siya lalabas. I was planning on contacting Bea. Oops. Para mag-snack. But, ang dami ko kailangan gawin kasi, so, yun, maybe next time. Nakakaloka, guys. I had to carry my own water gallon tank chuba ns eklab kasi kulang yung tao sa baba. Anyway, defrost ko yung chicken kasi wala pa akong dinner, wala pa nga ako lunch. Ang lunch ko lang is yung longan. I'm so happy I was able to get back home mas maaga. By 4:30 nandito na ako pero hindi ko naabutan yung bangko. So, I'm defrosting the chicken over here. Kailangan ko lang hiwain to para hindi ako mahirapan mag-defrost. Now cooking, guys, and I just realized na parang sobrang haba ng tongs na nabili ko. So, medyo mahirap siyang pero okay lang naman. Pero sobrang haba. Nakakaloka. Anyway, fried chicken for dinner. The rice is already done. Sobra akong nahirapan talaga sa full chicken na to. Kaya namimiss ko talaga yung strips. I hate this. It doesn't work. Ewan ko, hindi ko siya masyadong Basta gusto ko strips na para luto na lang. So, I have crispy fry. Itong mga to, ibibigay na lang sa mga aso sa bahay. Wala lang bones yan, I'm finally done cooking and washing the dishes. So, I decided to cook the rest of the chicken para tomorrow morning, I'll have some breakfast at hindi na ako kailangan mag-order. So, I have to leave early tomorrow since we have 2 events. And, The second one is kinda super duper important, kaya kailangan kong agahan doon. I've been watching videos, guys, about the LASIK surgery because in the recent vlog, kahapon na vlog, I asked you guys kung sino nakatry ng LASIK surgery. Ewan ko, gusto ko lang makakuha ng magandang testimonial, but sobrang hindi ko alam, hindi ko masagot yung brand kung kailan ako mag-schedule kasi nga takot na takot talaga ako, you know? It's a huge risk. Hindi ko alam bakit kasi, di ba, I vlog every day. Duh, I use my eyes every day. And I don't know if it's a good idea to take this or not. Kasi, shucks, mata, girl, mata. I know, merong mga successful stories. And then, I know may iba rin mga kalurks na stories. And I also tried to look up Shinagawa LASIK surgery online. I found a few videos, but none of them really gave me like, an honest review. You know what I'm saying? Kasi gusto ko malaman anong na-feel. Anong na-feel mo during the surgery. Kasi when I review services, I make sure na yung na-feel ko habang ginagawa sa akin, sinasabi ko sa vlog para alam ng tao din kung ano yung ma-feel mo talaga in actuality. So sabi ko, wala. Lahat na nakita kong video so far, positive lahat. Hindi ko alam. Sobrang hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong isipin ko. I don't know. I'm so undecided and I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Kasi mata, guys. Mata. Oh my goodness. Sabi naman ng iba, don't get it in the Philippines. Kasi dapat daw sa America. Kasi daw, if ever something bad happens to your eyes, sa America you can sue, but in the Philippines you can't. I'm not really sure about that. So, definitely there has to be like a contract or something. Oh my gosh. I also read one comment na yung mom niya 8 years daw bago nagkaroon ng problem, something. Pero is that 8 good years of having good eyesight? 20/20 vision ba? Kung 8 years kasi, ilang oras? Hindi ko alam. I'm just so scared. I've never been this scared. Ewan ko, kahit na hindi pa naman ako nag-go, hindi pa naman ako nag-oo, pero alam mo yun, hindi ko alam if I don't know what decision to make. I'm just really confused. So, wag na tayo mag-ramble. Ano ba yan? Kasi kailangan ko mag-film ng video. I have to stock up on videos for this week. Would you still love me the same? I am getting ready for filming, and this is my usual setup ko lagi. Anyway, again, table from Furniture Source Phil's. I have my water here. Kailangan ko uminom ng tubig. I have this Miniso light. We have my notebook for filming. Lahat ng mga kailangan kong i-film nandyan. Printer is down there kasi wala pang place yan. Anyway, I tidied up that area kasi nga medyo makalat yan kanina. So, I'm ending the vlog here, guys, because I'm so tired and I have to remove my makeup and then edit the videos na. So, tomorrow is a long day. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye. With that, I'm just gonna take a quick selfie over here. Ayan. So actually, while taking the photo pa lang, you will notice how smooth your skin will look like sa camera nila. So, yan na yung after. So as you can see, parang niretouch nila yung yung